about to draw Barney from Ron's Gone Wrong. Hey everyone, so for the first step of drawing Barney, we're going to begin by drawing a big U-like shape towards the top center of the page. This bottom line will make the jawline of Barney's face. Nice! Next you're going to begin to draw a couple small curved lines on each of the top points. First we'll begin on the top left hand side. These two lines that we draw that are slightly curvy will help make the hairline of Barney. Now let's do the exact same thing but on the right hand side. Next we'll draw a hairline going across, just like how I previously mentioned. This hairline will have a lot of sharp small points. And if you're new to the channel and you want to see more drawings just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Now once we're all done drawing the basic outline of the face, we'll then begin to draw the ears, first on the right hand side. Each of Barney's ears will have somewhat of a shape that looks similar to an octagon. A little later on we're going to add in a small curved line for detail on the inside of the ear, but let's go ahead and draw the outline of the second ear before we do that. I'm still not going to add the detail into the inside of the ears just yet, although if you want to do that right now, then that's okay as well. For the next step, I'm going to begin to add more hair on the top and sides of the head of Barney. The style of which I draw Barney will appear as if his hair is very sharp. If you want to make his hair not look as sharp, then you can make long curved lines without as many short sharp ones. Well done! Now that we have the top piece of the hair drawn, we'll now move to the sides. First, on the left hand side, I'll begin to draw a sharp piece of hair just as we did for the first. And we'll make this connect all the way down to the ear that we previously drew together. So far we're making great progress. Now before we draw the right piece of the hair, we'll first add in a second piece on the very top. Now once we're all done drawing that piece, we will now begin to draw the right piece, which will be connected to what we just drew. Now just like how I did on the left hand side, we will also connect this side all the way down to the ear. So far we have both outlines of the ears drawn along with the outline of the face and the hair. Now let's go onto the inside of the ears so that we can add in a little bit of detail by drawing a small swirl line. Now we will draw the exact same line but on the left hand side. Next, on the inside of the face, we're going to begin to draw the nose. The nose will be drawn in two parts. Each part of the nose will look similar to an upside down question mark that does not have a point on the bottom of it. On the bottom points of those two lines that we just drew, we're going to add in a small upside down U for the nostrils of Barney. Now right beneath the nose, we're going to begin to draw the mouth. The mouth looks similar to a curved arrow line. Now on each side of the nose, we're going to begin to draw the eyes. For the outline of the eyes, we're going to make sideways oval shapes. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like so other Ron's Gone Wrong fans can also learn how to draw Barney. Now on the inside of each sideways oval that we just drew, we're going to add in a second smaller circle. And in today's drawing, I will only be drawing the head of Barney. If you'd like to see me draw an entire full body version, then comment that down below. Wow, so far my drawing looks great. I'm sure your drawing looks great as well. Now on the very inside of each eye, in the center, we're going to draw a small black dot for the pupil. Attached to the small black dot, we'll add in a small white circle. Now similar to how we just drew the pupil in the right eye, we're going to do the exact same thing a little over on the left hand side. Now last but not least, we'll draw the eyebrows of Barney by drawing rectangular shapes on an angle. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you'd like to share your drawing of Barney from Ron's Gone Wrong with me today, then be sure to share it with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub so that I can see it. At the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in so that if you want to pause your video, then you can match the colors. And if you want to learn how to draw more characters, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our Encanto drawing tutorial playlist. Great job today, and I can't wait to draw with you tomorrow. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.